Hey everybody, Rachel here from Rachthestamper.com. I wanted to share something I just got with you guys. I'm super excited about this. This is a brand new product that Stamp & Storage is carrying. Also got myself some feet. This is a 6x6. Oh goodness, can I get it out one handed? A 6x6 paper holder. Isn't this awesome? So it holds all of your 6x6 paper, which I just was getting my stuff out the other day. So if you are either kind of in the love it, chop it realm, and maybe you want to be able to keep your paper or keep your 6x6 paper, and this is a really old pad. I'm going to share it with you. What is this one called? This is the Warmth and Cheer paper, which I loved. But look, fits right in there. You can probably fit more than one. You could even chop some of your DSP and maybe put it so it's like more at hand if you know what you want to use it for. But there's that, because what I was doing, I was keeping them in these little zip folders, which is fine, especially when like this one, which has a lot of scraps. But like this one, which was a fresh one, this is the classic garage paper. Fits in there perfectly. If maybe you wanted to cut up some of your foil paper to 6x6 and put them in there, which I think I am going to do because I think it'll be a big space saver. But you can fit these in. Here is my, I'm sorry, when you get yourself like all wrapped up, and I think I probably should have thought this out before I did this video, but so I have a brand new pack. I have 2 packs of this because I like this paper so much, the Tropical Escape paper. And you could totally section these off by different papers. And again, I did buy the feet, which are in this package. So the feet, in case you've never seen them, let me show you what they look like. They're these little guys here. So they have these little side feet. And then if you have more than one Stamp & Storage unit, like I do, they also sell these tees, so you can kind of make that so you can store stuff underneath. As you see, I have a lot of stuff. So I got these, that way I could put it underneath of this and it will stand up a little bit so I could stick something under it as well. So you could do like your new pack, and then probably, I'm going to get this, see if I can get it without. I'm not sure how much will fit in here, but let's see. So you can fit about a pack and a half. But here's the other cool thing. You can also slide these out. So say if you had like multiple packs of stuff and like a little bit of scraps that you wanted to stick in there, you could do those as well. So that is it. The brand new 6x6 Designer Series paper box from Stamp & Storage. And I do have a promo code. If you go to my link, which will be below, you'll be able to get yours at 10% off by using my link. So that's pretty awesome as well. So if you guys haven't gotten one of these, maybe you should check it out. And I will put links to my Stamp & Storage link, which does not charge you any extra. Usually I'm able to give you some sort of a deal, but I do earn a small commission if you make a purchase. So thank you guys again for your support. I hope you're going to love this as much as I do.